Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to customize your taskbar and which icons appear on it on Windows 11. Right-click on the taskbar and open the taskbar settings. First, hide or show buttons that appear on the taskbar such as Search, Task View, Widgets, and Chat. Then System Tray Icons, choose which icons can appear in the same tray such as the Pen menu, Touch Keyboard, and Virtual Touchpad. The Taskbar Corner Overflow, you can choose which icons may appear in the Taskbar Corner, all others will appear in the Taskbar Corner Overflow menu. Finally, the taskbar behaviors such as taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. You can align your taskbar in the center or left. And you can enable an option to hide your taskbar automatically. And an option to show badges or unread messages counter on taskbar apps. Finally, you can enable an option to select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop.